So I am here today to share with you all my order that just arrived from samsbeauty.com. Yes, samsbeauty.com. Oh Lord, if you are not familiar with samsbeauty.com, they are an online retailer that specializes in selling wigs, okay, hello, wigs, accessories, and makeup, all at an insanely affordable price. Compared to a lot of the other online wig retailer websites, Sam's Beauty, they are forced to be reckoned with. Anyhow, I got my first order, so I want to share with y'all what I got. I got some hair, and I got some makeup and stuff, so let's just jump right on into it. Oh my lord, I was super excited. You know, I'm gonna show you the hair I got first. So the first thing I ordered is this Outré lace front wig inspired by the Brazilian batik line. The style name is called Body, and I ordered her in the color 1B. That looks like, let me get this, it looks like that right there. So that's who I ordered. I will be reviewing this very, very shortly. Got her. The next wig I ordered is a oldie but goodie. And if you know me, when I like something, I get more than one of it. So I ordered me another Dominican Outré lace front wig by the Petite Bundled Hairline, and this one is called Dominican Curly. That looks like this right here. Now actually this wig right here, as you're seeing in this video right there, I've already worn my other one like this, so I made sure to order an additional backup. The one I'm wearing in the video right here, you see, I already had a spare one, and now I got another spare one. So altogether I got 3 of these wigs, and if I'm telling you I got 3 of them, you know it must be worth you snatching. So like that. And the reason why I buy multiple of the same wigs, because when these wigs sometimes once they make a wig and they'll stop making it, you ain't gonna find it again. So I make sure to get mine. The last one I want to share with you, I don't know, let me just say I probably was inspired by the Nicki Minaj and the Cardi B flow with that long 40, 50 inch looking hair that looks like this right here. This one is 40 inches, and this is the Magic lace front wig. The style name is called MLU08, and she's flat iron safe, she's curl iron safe up to 360 degrees, and this is what she's looking like right here on the packaging, and she's 40 inches of hair. Where I'm going to be going, I have no idea, but I bet you I'm going to have my long locks looking just as cute. Yes, ma'am. All right, so that's that. Now let's get into the makeup, the fun part. OMG. So these are some makeup palettes that I ordered by City Color Cosmetics, and they come it's 4 of them. The first one is called Paris, and I ordered it because see how it has the girl here on it. It's so cute, and it comes with an eyeshadow, lip gloss, blush, and everything else. So when you open it, you have your little mirror compact right here, your mirror compact, and then over here you have your different eyeshadows right there, as you can see. So it has eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss, and it has an eyeliner pencil. And this one is called Paris. That's Paris right there. Then I ordered the next one, which is called Los Angeles, and she is just too cute. She looks like a little fashionista right there. And this one is called Los Angeles, and when I get her open, let me get her open, this is what her inside is looking like. And with this one, again, you got eyeshadow, blush, lip gloss, but you also have a highlighter in here. You also have a highlighter, and these are not tested on animals, so these are have not been tested on animals as far as the makeup go. The next one is called London, and London is looking so posh and chic. That is Miss London, and this one just have eyeshadow and blush in here. Oh, and lipstick. So that's what that one is looking like inside of this one. And the last one of these I got is New York, because you know I had to rep my own hometown. Miss New York, looking like the fashion capital herself, Miss New York, and that's that one. And in here you got eyeshadow, you got blush, lip gloss, and you have an eyeliner. And that one right there. And that's what it's looking like. And I got this off of, like I said, Sam's Beauty website. I don't know about the quality of them yet because I haven't tried them out, but I will bring you the 4 videos on those 4 palettes right there. And last but not least, I got my NYC Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, which I'm about to share with you. Now, I'm so happy to have seen them on this website because when it comes to the NYC Cosmetics being in drugstores, from the makeup community, what I'm hearing is NYC Cosmetics have discontinued their makeup brand, and they will no longer be selling new or any updated items, you know, to be sold in the drugstores or whatever. So whatever is left on display, once that goes, it's gone. So because I saw it on the website, these are their individual eyes palettes, and these are colors that I didn't have in my collection. This one was limited edition, and this one was called Hot Couture. That looks like that right there. That one is called Hot Couture. And what I'm loving about these palettes is each of them come with its own primer and a built-in illuminator. So like this. I have several videos which will be down in the description box below with an exclusive playlist sharing with you all a plethora of different looks that I've achieved just by using NYC Cosmetics alone. This next one is called Designer Denim, and looks like that right there. That one is Designer Denim. Loving that one. Next one is called let me see what Smokey Blues, and I'm liking this because it's more so on the neutral end. And if you are an official doll, and when I say official, that means a subscribe glam doll, you already know when it comes to me, I'm a sucker for neutral palettes, and there was no way I wasn't going to snatch this one up right there. And on that note, dolls, that just concluded the video. Oh my gosh, so that was everything that I ordered from samsbeauty.com. Like I said, if you haven't heard of the website, make sure you visit it. There's something for everyone that's on there in regards to hair, makeup, and or accessories. But like I said, this pretty much just concluded the video. If any of you may was interested in my hair that I'm wearing in this video, the link to it will be down in the description box below, as well as if you was interested in my eye makeup look that I'm wearing in this video, the link to that also will be down in the description box below. So make sure you check there for details, along with the list of everything that I've shown you in this video. All the information will be down in the info box below. So on that note, seriously, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget now, we gotta stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and Fab Beauty on a Budget Finds. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these things away, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.